Hello guys! So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung trending sa Pilipinas guys about dun sa 299 engagement ring. Ayan, so tanungin natin si Indianong Puti kung anong kanyang masasabi dito. So what can you say Gulu about that 299 engagement ring that girl was like she felt like she don't deserve expensive one like diamond ring, and she felt like she don't worth that much, or maybe she felt like I don't know.
I just remember one thing. When we knew in relation, so it was same situation with us when uh, we were new and we thought to engage. Then obviously have to propose. Then first ring got in person when we met. She got me, and it was like not original, right? It was
It's
not
like
original.
semi-silver lang yun guys.
Semi-silver that she got to me, but it was okay to me. And then when it was our marriage, she asked me a ring, but when I said okay, then that fake one also, then she said, oh, I same you said, like
Yes.
is that only what I deserve? Like I
Yes.
don't do you think I deserve cheap only, or should I get a real one also? Then I just bought silver one to her, but I'm so sure that even I haven't bought, it will be just like drama, right? You agreed already that guys.
So, nakaka-relate ako doon sa babae, guys. Kasi nga nung unang ring na binigay sa akin ni Mister na silver is nagkakahalaga lang siya ng 2,500 rupees. So, how much that in peso?
2500.
2525 in rupees. Yes, we will show you that ring, guys. Pero real silver yun, guys, dito.
And we also have a pick off when first we.
Yeah.
Yes.
So nakaka-relate ako sa moment nung girl guys na nag-post ng kanyang 299 engagement ring. So parang ano lang naman yun guys, drama ng isang babae, no? Yung feeling mo ganyan ganito na hindi ko ba deserve ang mahal na ganyan ganito. So ang mali niya lang kasi pinost niya in public, no? Kaya hayan
Now we are mature enough to
Yeah.
like get it that these things don't matter much now. Like obviously a ring really,
Yes.
like, and they were 8 years in relation.
years,
So
yes.
after 8 years is a ring that but big thing. Like what matters is how you like what's your feeling behind giving it. I don't think price of, and even ring that's so primitive to give a token of something, even nothing, it's okay, but as a symbol of love you want to give, it's okay.
Yes. So what
But
matters guys is yung yung feelings yung dalawa, yung nagkakaintindihan kayo, may respect kayo sa isa't isa, yung aalagaan kanya sa hirap man o ginhawa, yun lang naman ang mahalaga. So yung mga material na bagay na yan, ano na lang yan, hindi na lang, wag na lang sanang no?
and one big mistake they did is they made it public.
Public.
Never, whatever issue you have as a couple, just deal with it personally. The more you tell people except the
Yes.
family, the
Yes.
more worse it will get.
So that caused them broke up, I think. So they about to get married, and cause of
I'm
that
so
matters.
sure it's not it can't be that's the only thing that broke them. There must be so many things. I don't believe that only a ring can cause this.
So ayon sa source ko guys, shout out kay Team Simran, Team Indian Pinay couple. Sabi niya so na-concern din ako guys, yung na-curious ba ako kung kumusta yung couple na yon. So sabi niya doon sa nabasa niya daw, naghiwalay na daw sila. So yung ring na daw yun guys, ano lang pala yun, promise ring, hindi siya engagement ring. So nag-react agad yung kanyang fiancé. So yun yung nag-cause yun yung kinahantungan ng kanilang relasyon sa paghihiwalay dahil lang sa ng liit-liit na bagay, no? So 8 years of relationship, hindi yun hindi yun biro na pagsasama, no? Lalaki daw is breadwinner sa kanyang pamilya. So malay naman yan, no? Yung talagang atat na siyang atat na siyang mag-propose. So hindi niya na napaghandaan yung kanyang engagement ring. So yung babae, ang mali niya lang is pinablik niya. So yun lang guys yung aming view about that. So So, thank you for watching, guys. Andito kami sa taas habang mainit pa. So, actually, guys, ano na dito? Mag-aalas 5 na. Ayan. So, say bye-bye na dyan. Say bye-bye to titas, anak. Say bye-bye.
With the shoe
Say
in hand.
bye-bye. So, for me, guys, yung mga material na bagay is, dapat hindi na masyadong binibigyan ng pansin, no? So, ang mahalaga naman yan, kung yung nararamdaman nyo para sa isa't isa, yung kahit sa magdildil man kayo dyan ng asin, kayo pa rin na sasama pa rin kayo hanggang sa hirap at ginhawa nga. So, yung mga material na bagay na yan is maglalaho. Pero yung pagmamahal sana tsaka respeto, dapat andyan lang or andun pa rin, no? Ayan. So, nakakalungkot lang yung kinahinatnan nila kasi sa material na bagay is na ano na agad yung relasyon nila na tibag na. Ayan. So, yan lamang, guys, kasi si Jazz hindi makontrol ng aking asawa. So, bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Then stop him.